Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 929 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HIVE has posted its Q3 earnings results. Hut8 makes a move toward carbon neutrality, and 3iQ has partnered with Block0. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as HIVE, has posted its earnings report for the third quarter ended December 31st. Highlights for Q3 include a revenue of $14.3 million USD, the mining of 787 bitcoins, and $3.62 million of income from mining operations. The company's executive chairman, Frank Holmes, said, quote, "We wish to again thank our loyal shareholders for believing in our vision to mine both Ethereum and Bitcoin. We are sad to see that the higher margin from mining Ethereum is gone. However, our HPC strategy, which has taken longer to roll out, is now growing rapidly on a month-over-month basis. We are happy to share that our robust growth is scalable and could potentially increase tenfold over the next year, as the demand for our high-quality chips, due to the huge global demand for AI projects like GPT chat, medical research, machine learning, and rendering." End quote. Next up, Hut8 Mining Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq as HUT, has announced that it has partnered with Sparta Group's carbon credit program established by their e-waste division, ERS International, to reduce their carbon footprint by reusing and recycling approximately 220 metric tons of electronic waste, earning approximately 5,200 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent serialized carbon credits. Arnold Lee, the director of ESG at Hut8, explained, quote, "We chose to partner with ERS International because their innovative program allowed us to responsibly recycle obsolete miners while taking meaningful steps to achieve our carbon neutrality goals. This program allows Hut8 to minimize the impact of electronic waste and divert CO2 from releasing into the atmosphere while generating verified carbon credits approved by the Canadian Standards Association." End quote. Lastly for today, digital asset investment fund 3iQ CoinShares Bitcoin ETF, which trades on the TSX as BTCQ, has announced a strategic partnership with Block0 Advisors, a leading management consulting firm specializing in blockchain and digital assets. This, according to the press release, enhances 3iQ's recently launched outsourced crypto investment office, or OCIO program, by incorporating Block0's expertise in delivering strategic digital asset education and advisory services to institutions across the globe. Louis Laval, the managing director of 3iQ, comments, quote, "To truly drive change in the world of digital assets, it is crucial to equip decision makers with the knowledge and resources they need. That's why we're thrilled to join forces with Block0 Advisors, a leader in blockchain strategic advisory. Our partnership delivers a complete solution for institutions looking to manage their digital assets, providing business leaders and key stakeholders with the insight they need to make informed decisions about this dynamic new asset class." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk, To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol APCX.